Hello everyone and welcome back to ReLearning. In this video, we are going to cover the topic Movements of Earth. So let's get started. In ancient time, people believed that Earth was stationary and heavenly bodies moved around it. Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, first said that the Earth spins on its own axis and moves around the Sun. Thus, the Earth has two types of movements. One is rotation and next is revolution. Let's get into more details about rotation. Rotation. The movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. The Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. It rotates from west to east. Due to this, we see that the sun rises in the east and sets in west. Days and nights. The rotation of Earth causes days and nights. Due to its spherical shape, only half of the Earth receives light from the sun at a particular time. This half has day. The other half, which is turned away from the sun, is in the darkness and has night. Okay, let's get into more details about it with this picture. Now in this picture you can see that the sun is present on the other side of that Earth. That side is having a day, while the other side, which doesn't have the sun, which has a moon, has night. Okay, getting it? So in this picture you can see that the half of the Earth which receives the sunlight has day and the other half which doesn't receive the sunlight has night. Let's see the next one. Revolution. While rotating on its axis, the Earth also revolves around the sun. This movement is called as revolution. The Earth revolves along a fixed path called as orbit. The orbit is in oval shape. It takes the Earth about 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Okay, let's see the next one. Seasons. The revolution of Earth causes 4 seasons. The seasons are spring, autumn, summer and winter. These 4 seasons occur all over the world. So let's see the next one, that is the revolution of Earth and change in season. At the center you can see there is sun and there is a oval path of the revolution of Earth. For your better understanding, let's start from position number 4. Now in position number 4 you can see that there is North Pole and South Pole. North Pole is tilted away from the sun and South Pole is tilted towards the sun. Because of this, there is winter season in Northern Hemisphere and summer season in Southern Hemisphere. Now looking at position number 2, the opposite side of it. Now here you can see that North Pole is tilted towards the sun and South Pole is tilted away from the sun. Now because of this reason, there is summer in Northern Hemisphere and winter in Southern Hemisphere. Now looking at position number 1, if you can see the position number 1, there is spring in Northern Hemisphere and autumn in Southern Hemisphere. Now this is because all the time in position number 1, the sun rays are falling directly towards the equator. And because of this reason, there is spring in Northern Hemisphere and autumn in Southern Hemisphere. Now opposite to this, there is position number 3. In this, there is autumn in Northern Hemisphere and spring in Southern Hemisphere. Now this, all the pictures, all the things over here, it is telling us that how the revolution of Earth changes the season accordingly. Always remember, the Earth has two types of movements, rotation and revolution. The movement of Earth on its own axis is called rotation. It causes day and night. The movement of Earth around the sun is called revolution. It causes seasons like summer, winter, spring and autumn. In this way you have studied that the Earth has two types of motion, rotation and revolution. If you have enjoyed the topic, do hit the like button. If you have any doubts, put it down into the comment section, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is me Swapnil signing off. Thank you.